Hello, this is Failing 3D Printing, and welcome to Print of the Week, episode 24, K-Cup Holder. Okay, so the print's done, so I'm going ahead and grab it off the bed. I'm going to have to just real quickly pull off the supports from the print. This is a 9 holder, K-Cup holder, so it can hold 9 different ones. You could do different flavors, all the same. It's a slight angle backwards. Um, as I'll show you later, I still gotta clean off some of the supports. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to get the material on the base, but if you kind of just pick at it, it eventually peels off. So once I get that all cleaned off, I'll get the ones on the bottom down there, just get those. I need the supports for when it's printing. It can print at the angle. So now that you see, there's the 9 slots I was talking about. You can go ahead and stick a cup in there. They pull in pretty snug. You give them a little bit push so they stay in there really nicely. And you can see it just uses the taper of the cup to hold it. So what do you guys think of this? Go ahead and let me know in the comments. And if you like the video, leave a like. If you really like the video, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you.